Hey guys, so how y'all doing on this hot and muggy day, at least where I am? So we're getting ready to unbox the Ego SC2005 56-volt chainsaw with Bluetooth and battery display. Has a 20 inch chain with 50 cm like power, so that's gas, and it has a brake stop. It includes a 6 amp hour battery, charger, and the charger is 320 watts. I'm assuming that this does not come with the rapid or fast charger. Now, this also is, I don't know if you can see it on the box, but I will take pictures if you can't. Ego also has an app, okay, where you can monitor your saw action while you're out. You don't always have to look at the display. All right, so let's go ahead and take this out of the box. I have been waiting to get this for a moment, or it was either this one or Milwaukee. I have a lot of Milwaukee stuff, but there's certain things that I want to get that is Ego. So this is my way to jump over into that platform, because I don't have any batteries for Ego, nor do I have any tools for Ego as well. Now I picked this up at Lowe's, and like I said, I've been eyeballing it for a long time. So here is your manual. Tells you how to operate your batteries or the tool. Now this does, I jumped ahead a little bit. Let me see if I can find it here. Okay, so don't quote me, but there's something about a warranty level of, I think it's 5 years for the tool and 3 years for the battery. But I believe you're gonna have to go online and register. I just tried to download the app and do all of that stuff, but they were having problems. So what I ended up doing was hitting this thing here that's on top with my camera, taking a picture of it, and signing up. So hopefully they'll get over whatever their bug issue is. So we have right here is the 56 volt not 5 amp hour, 6 amp hour battery. Now this particular chainsaw could only be operated with a 6 amp hour battery. They don't suggest that you go any lower with this battery. With this chainsaw. All right. Don't know if you can see it, so let's press the button there. So you see it comes with about 2 bars. So that's your battery indicator, your power. You just press that button there. And again, the battery is pretty hefty, but from what I understand, Ego does make some good batteries. And like I said, I would like to get some other equipment that is Ego. Now this is your 320, 350 charger, watts. It's not like the other one that is gray and black. I think you move up to that, and that's what you get into maybe your fast chargers or your rapid chargers. Packed up very nicely. FYI, I did pick this up, if I didn't say it earlier, from Lowe's. So let's get this up here. Hopefully you guys can see it. If I got to adjust the camera a little bit, let me do that. Just give me a second. Let's get that out of the plastic. Now, unfortunately, it does not come with any bar oil. So that is kind of a downer, but it does come with the chain guard so that when you finish with it, so that's nice. Again, you have your brake stop that's right here. Let's take that out of the guard. We're going to turn it around a little bit. So now again, if I'm not mistaken, I'm used to gas powered or electrical powered chainsaws, but I definitely like the ones with the metal, if I'm saying it right, bucking teeth. So the Milwaukee, again, if I'm not mistaken, I could be wrong, the old one, even in comparison to the new one, has plastic. It's not metal or steel. So that is another reason why I kind of went away from that. Also, the Milwaukee does not have a 20-inch. I believe the largest that they have is a 16. Oh, my thing went oops. Sorry guys, give me a moment here. I apologize. Let's see if we can get that straightened back out. Sorry about that. I don't know why my thing does that. I probably got to get a new one, but it's fully charged. But the Milwaukee doesn't have a 20-inch. I think it has a 18 or a 16 inch bar. So if you look right here, this is where you'll put your oil. Like I said, unfortunately, it doesn't come with any oil. I went and purchased a thing of oil. Where did I put it? Yes, it's right here. I had to purchase this oil on the side. If I'm not mistaken, this oil cost, I think, $20. And let me guys know what you think or what your opinion is. I was told that you should only use the Ego oil. You shouldn't use any other oil with this chainsaw. So if we turn it around, right here, another feature is it has lights to it. If you lift the saw upside down, whoops, this is your tool for your nuts. That's at the side. How you loosen and tighten them. I forgot the terminology for them, but it stays on to this plate when you loosen it, so you don't lose your screws. Right here is where your heads-up display is where you'll get all your information, and when you're able to download your app, you're able to get that information on the app as well. The trigger, which is right here, and it looks like it has a safety, which is right here. So you would have to go on this side. Hopefully you guys can see it. You would have to hit the safety first, then pull the trigger down. It doesn't have a lock, so you have to keep your hands on it. This piece right here is where you would put your 6 amp hour, 10 amp hour, or 12 amp hour. So let's see if we can just put this in. Goes in right there. This definitely is not cheap. Okay, it definitely has a nice heft to it. So let's see if we press this button right here. Don't know if you can see it, but now your LED lights, they light up. Let me see if I can take you in a little closer. You still can't see the lighting that well, but as you can see, you got your different functions. So this button right here is for your speed. This button gives you the indication of the power. This right here will turn on that light in the front, or they will all do that on this button right here. Yep, so your light will turn on. You just got to go through the functions, press it off. And again, you have your speed button. So you press that, and that will give you your different speeds. I'm just going to call it low, medium, and high. Here's some information on the box. You guys can put it on pause, take down whatever the information is that you want, and what I will do is actually take pictures of these as well for you, and so that you can better off see them. So this is your QR code I was telling you about, that I put my camera on, and then I was able to go up and sign up. Like I said, pretty nice looking chainsaw. Has some nice heft to it. Definitely not cheap, guys. Definitely not cheap. In my aspects, it is definitely worth the money. Again, that's where you read your bore oil. These are your bucking teeth when you have to bite into the wood. Like I said, this is metal. The old Milwaukee chainsaw and the new one that they came out with, I believe it's not even metal. I believe it's plastic. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this unboxing, leave your comments down below, hit that like button, and subscribe. More videos to come, because out in the back I do have a tree that fell down. I need to get that cut up. I got a couple of trees that's in the back that fell or that got hit by lightning or got halfway blown over. So I have to get those cut down. Would like to get those cut down and get those things out of the way.